Hey guys, I'm gonna do the Emoji Squishy Challenge today, and I have all my recently used emojis, and the first one is like this alien thing. And if you don't know what it is, you have to draw on your face with lipstick or like lip gloss if you don't have it. So, liquid lip gloss is so hard to get off, and that's mostly what I have. So. Yeah, okay, first one is like this alien thing. I guess this sort of counts, right? This would count, right? Okay, this sort of counts, so this counts. Sorry for your background noises. My sister and her boyfriend are watching TV. Anyway, the next one is bread emoji. This like bread emoji, and I'm gonna go with my J-Dream bread, which is interesting. Next is a donut emoji, which I have a donut emoji. I have a donut. There we go. Now you know I have a donut. You see, I prove it. Next is like a bear. A bear? Do I have a bear? I have Rillakkuma. Does that count? Okay, if this is cheating, sorry. The tag. There we go. Next is this tennis racket and tennis ball. I have a tennis ball, so that's good. Tennis ball. Okay, next one is the like blushing face. I have a blush bun. Yeah, here's my blush bun. See, cut me some slack. It's like the the face I got like that. Yeah, so it's pretty squishy. Next is like the mad face emoji. I do not have that, so I have to draw my face. It looks thick. Let's do like a football mark. Here, I'll do it with like red lipstick. No, I'll do like liquid because I want a football mark. I can barely see. Okay. It's really weird. Okay. Next emoji is like a panda, which, here, I'll show you guys my emoticons so you guys know what I'm talking about. Yeah, the next one is the panda. I have a panda bun. Yeah. Next one is the watermelon emoji. I don't have that, so I have to draw my face again. Let's do another football mark with the red. Oh my god, why am I doing this? Okay. Oh, I thought, sorry guys. Oh, I'm sorry, I was reading a text. Okay, next 3 emojis I don't have, so I'll draw my face 3 times. But this time I'll do like a lipstick. Okay, so I'll go. And then we'll go red lipstick. And we'll go like, this is the last 2 times, so we'll go like, oh god. Oh my lord. Okay, let's just go with a liquid now because liquid seems easier. Everybody pray for me right now. Ready? There. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys like this video. Wait, I have to draw my face one more time. I didn't. Okay, sorry. I'm being an idiot. Okay, let's see. Where do I want to draw? I want to draw a heart. Can I draw a heart? I don't know. Can I? Let's see if we can. Because, yeah, burly, but yeah. If the lighting. So there we have it. drew on my face with lipstick, and that's the emoji challenge. So I barely did any squishies. Like, this is not even a squish. This is a stress ball. It's like super. See, I would have done this one, but yeah. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, and if you wanted to see the emojis to prove that that was it, after the panda bun, I did draw my face 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, there we go. The lighting. Like, no. Okay, first of all, there's going to be a horrible glare. There we go. Because of them. Yeah. So, like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!